we got it. It's got to be on there for that.
We're gonna put it on you.
What are you doing? 3, 2, 1, go!
This is the Mallows eating contest.
You don't have to mouth that to us.
You're gay.
We already know it's the Mallows eating contest, you fucking tar.
Well, see,
It's
she
not
has
a
a nice
contest
technique.
either.
She's placing it in her cheek.
It is the mallow-colored guitar.
Wow.
Can I eat it?
Wait, is it? Is it really?
Fit this in your
Hold it up.
mouth or
Hold it up.
that.
Hold it up. I want to see it. What are we signifying?
Like Bush Hanson? These you saying this. Wow.
Casey disappears from screen. He cheats.
Huh?
Yeah, that's right.
He's in cork marshmallows.
How would that help him become it seems like I'm making it harder.
Having trouble. Okay.
Using 2 fingers this time.
How many?
I got 12.
You got 12.
Oh my god.
My God.
Oh Jesus. Praise be. This is funny. Look at all the pop bottles we have sitting there, cans sitting there.
Yeah. Okay, I think we've now gone to the part of the game where it's just disgusting.
There's just attacking
It's no longer entertaining, you know? It's just like,
There's this universal
Call
attack
somebody
this
gay.
meter just slowly going down.
Call somebody gay.
Marshmallow.
Somebody
Oh my
somebody
God.
better vomit, or I will not consider this.
Max is really cool. It's like, because he's not
Yeah.
really pressing them down as much as everyone else. Look. Casey. Casey, can you breathe?
One more.
Casey, they're coming at you.
God.
Oh my god.
Casey, you're gonna keep doing in there.
Oh
Throw it up.
sweet. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
God.
Thank you.
Megan did it.
Oh,
19.
man.
I don't know how many got in there, but I got a little.
Oh, Matt's turn.
Oh no, I want to count them with my puke all over it.
Like I said, guys.
Oh, you got the.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, I got.
Whoa, wait, that's Shelby's ass. Whoa, don't need that on the
Oh,
camera.
this is disgusting.
Oh, yes.
Oh, man.
Casey, did you just throw up?
Yes.
Oh, Casey, God,
Alright.
bring the bag upstairs.
Now
We'll
you're.
Well, what is left when I
Okay,
did
guys.
Please say you got that.
Oh God.
John, you're a god. You're a god.
Listen.
Shut up.
Oh, what was that? Oh my god, he got hit with marshmallow on my head.
Oh, is it still on?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Oh.
My face.
Go upstairs, get a drink.
I don't know what to be.
That was
jerky
the-
ended up.
the Mallows
Oh,
eating
it's a marshmallow.
Also, we go
I
throw
didn't
out that
swallow
bag.
it.
I'm not throwing away your
What the
puke.
fuck is the beef jerky?
I saw it fall in with your marshmallow.
No, dude, it wasn't in with the
Should we
marshmallow.
shut
What the
it
hell
off?
was that brown sugar?
I think that was part of your vomit. There
What
was
you
no-
mean?
there
You
was
just
no
let it
jerky,
ride?
it was marshmallows.
Oh god, this is the I feel so much smarter than all of you guys.
Yes.
Like I am so
Yeah, you and I? Yes.
I am so much superior than all of you.
Yeah.
I want to see
Except
how many
maybe
Mallows-
Matt, dude.
Oh my god.
Casey, please. Now,
The jerky actually made it taste better,
They're
but it was like.
Alright, and we're done.